Today's the day. I'm leaving for Baja. So much to do. I've got to go to a Staples and print my insurance. My mom sent me a picture of my car title. I don't know if I'll need that in my truck. I didn't want to have that in my camper in case anything was stolen. So thankfully, at least a year ago, when I flew home for the holidays, I left all of that paperwork in Alabama. I got the last of my mail this morning, cleaned out my camper yesterday, made sure that there was nothing that I couldn't take with me. I think I'm ready to go. The only thing I really feel nervous about is I watched someone else's video regarding the narrow roads, and they were saying how close you were to 18-wheelers when you're driving. I feel like that's the only thing that I'm really nervous about going down there is tight roads. Other than that, I'm ready. Hey, editing Alicia here. I forgot to mention car insurance. So your US and Canadian car insurance isn't covered in Baja and you need a separate insurance. When I was looking around, I called a lot of different places and got some rate. I ended up picking Baja bound because I could get my truck and camper fully insured. The rate was a bit better than the other companies I reached out to. They gave me 3 companies to choose from. The one thing I did was I upped my liability. So in case I get into an accident, it covers like $1 million in damages. That's like for the other person. I think I said that right. I was recommended to up that. I reached out to Baja Bound after getting my insurance and they generously offered to cover my insurance while I'm down here. So thank you, Baja Bound, for supporting my channel. And I just want to make it clear that I chose Baja Bound insurance on my own. It was honestly the easiest website to use to get insurance. So yay. Thanks for being the first brand to support my channel. I think I need to pull my slide out in and I'll be ready. And electronics. I put all my electronics out of sight for checkpoints. I forgot one more thing. I got ChatGPT to do my route. I told it that I wanted to go through Arizona. I wanted to be at the southern tip of Baja for a van life meetup in like a week. So I was like, give me an itinerary, give me some ideas on where I could camp for the night, possibly boondock if there's a spot nearby, and it made a really great schedule for me. I feel way more planned out than I usually do. I'm so not type A. Research, I'm like, no, gotta love ChatGPT. I made a quick pit stop in Yuma at this barbecue joint. It's called Dirty South Barbecue House. It's really good, and I'm really hungry. This brisket is fantastic. I'm so excited to get to warmer weather because there's been a cold front coming. I don't know, I guess 2 or 3 days ago. It's been in the 30s at night, and if I'm not going to be snowboarding, like, what's the point, you know? First night in Mexico, I'll show you where I'm staying. Once I got into Mexico, the drive was pretty chill. It just, in regards to getting like all the errands done, dump, fill up fresh water. I just got a lot of errands today. Dump, water, print out my paperwork. The day got ahead of me. I was planning on camping on this beach tonight. I think it was called Puertecitos. There were hot springs there. So hopefully tomorrow I can stop by. I wanted to make it, I don't know, I think I've got about an hour and a half to 2 hours to get to that spot. So I'll make it tomorrow. But the border crossing was pretty chill. The lady looked through a lot of my stuff, which surprised me. I thought that it was gonna be a less thorough inspection, which it's fine. I don't have anything to hide, but I just didn't anticipate crawling on my bed and things like that. I think it was $45 for my 6-month visa, the FMM. First night. I just wanted to get off the road while the sun was setting. I'll let you know how the first night goes. I'm between some salt flats and some sand dunes, so it's really pretty out here. Morning. I slept so good out here. The sun's coming up. It's time to get moving. I think today I'm gonna make it past San Felipe, go to Puertecitos, and there's some hot springs there. And then hopefully I can make a little bit more time tonight. Look at the sky this morning. I watched that movie White Chicks last night. It's so hilarious. It was made in 2004. Wow. I'm gonna let the truck run for 10 minutes and get it warmed up, and I'm so excited. Day 2. I stopped at Puertecitos. There's some hot springs here. There was so many potholes on the way. I heard that this was like the nice part of the highway. It was sketch. Tons and tons of potholes. Some of them were filled. Most of them were not. It's 12:30, so I'm thinking that I can get a couple hours of soaking in and then make my way to, I don't know. I haven't looked up a place to stop for the night. Anyways, this was part of a campground, so there's a day use fee to visit the hot springs. I will tell you in just a minute if they're really good. We'll see. Okay, they are. Wow, you can smell the sulfur. There's like a ton, little tiny. This is a little pool right here. There's little pools everywhere. This is all, oh, this is a big section right here. I can't believe I have this all to myself. So beautiful. This is the most interesting hot springs I've ever been to. Oh, this one's cold. These hot springs are so varied in temperature. There's this huge area of hot springs. All of it over here is super hot. I don't know if later in the day when the tide gets higher that you can go in those. I'm sure that's the case. But this is a mix of cold water and hot. It keeps having me scoot over because it gets so hot. Maybe if I had checked the reviews, I could have figured out what time of day is the best. 1 o'clock, not the best time. I'm stopped. My engine is getting hot, fighting the wind. It's not a bad place to be pulled over at. I didn't last long at those hot springs. They were just so hot. I mean, probably half an hour was the most I made it. I didn't expect that my engine would get hot from the wind though, you know? I thought it'd be elevation. So maybe I'll make it to Guerrero Negro tonight. We'll see. What day is it? Day 3? It's day 3, just got a shower, feeling fresh. Today I'm headed down to Mulegé. I'm gonna find a beach spot right outside of Mulegé. This will be my first time camping on the beach. You know those picturesque van life shots where they have the beach in the background. Getting that clip tonight. Tomorrow morning, maybe. This morning I was comparing it to when I was in Arizona and it was windy, it was dusty, and this morning is beautiful, sunny, light breeze. I was bundled up from head to toe and now I'm in a dress. Winning, so much winning. Out here, it's terrible. I've stopped at, where am I at? I'm at this cafe and this mountain was so beautiful behind me. I was like, oh, I gotta get a shot of this. Can't believe I'm here. I've been wanting to come here for years. I'm so excited.
I'm a rolling stone, bound to roam. Come the morning, or I'll be gone.
This sunrise is incredible. I can't believe I woke up on the beach this morning. Actually, I'm on a bay. I had to get ready, clearly. Man, what a good morning. I think I'm gonna chill out here today. I'm at like Playa Coco, I think. Last night I stayed here. Tomorrow I'm gonna head down to La Paz for the van life meetup.
Watch the trees, falling leaves, like the breeze. Won't you blow? Take a sip, I'ma pack my grip.
Yesterday was so much driving. I started at 9 a.m. and then I think I went till 6 p.m. There was a stop where a police officer had pulled over someone and then they flagged me over as well and gave me a ticket, which was lame. Last night I stayed at sort of an RV park. It's this guy's house that has like amenities for travelers, showers and whatnot. So I'm now in La Paz and I'm gonna try to find a beach if I can before this meetup. So we'll see. Oh, yesterday at lunch there was this place that had this Colombian dish. What was it? It was like an empanada. It was like fried with the corn masa paste, and then they had salsa verde on top. It was so good. And it was $1, like a little bit over $1. I was like, yes, this is what I'm here for. So anyways, trying to get laundry done before I go to this van meetup, which is about half an hour on the coast from here. I think that's it. I'm feeling relieved that I've finally gotten down here. Today's the 28th and this event is on the 30th. It just felt like a mission getting down here on time. So yay, we're here. I gotta get the tickets today for the event. I think that's it. Laundry. But it was a quiet sleep here last night, so I feel good today.